double step, rock, step, rock, step. Now buck just means you add sound to the rock, step. So instead of just going rock, step, we're going to add something. But first, to make sure you can do this motion, you got to be able to go heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step. So if that feels funny to you, if you do it over and over, eventually it won't. Heel, step, heel, step, heel, step. So when you do a rock step, you would go rock, heel, step, rock, heel, step, rock, heel, step. So we're going to do a fancy double. 5, 6, ready, go. Double step, rock, heel, step, rock, heel, step. You did a buck style of a fancy double. I just added that heel. You got it one sound. One more time. 5, 6, fancy double. Double step, rock, heel, step, rock, heel, step. Now, most people take it a step farther and they add another sound. Instead of just doing the plain rock, they do toe rock. So practice that motion so it feels normal. Toe rock, toe rock, toe rock. This is my shooting ball. Toe rock, toe rock, toe rock. So if that feels weird, you do it a bunch of times, eventually it won't. So you're hitting your toe and then you're hitting the ball of your foot. Toe ball, toe ball, toe ball, toe ball, toe ball, toe ball. So if we did a fancy double, when we bucked it with the toe, it would be double step, toe ball, heel step. Toe ball, heel step. You do it twice, you do 2 rock steps. So just do the toe ball, heel step. Toe ball, heel step. Toe ball, heel step. The other thing that tricks people up is when they're here on this ball, they feel like they can't pick the other foot up. But you can. You just put your weight on the ball. Heel step. Toe ball, heel step. Toe ball, heel step. Toe ball, heel step. And that is all it is. That is a buck toe, buck toe. So fancy double would be double step, toe ball, heel step, toe ball, heel step. Double step, toe ball, heel step. Now, most people don't buck fancy doubles. They do, but mostly you think of buck basics. And so buck basic, of course, you just do 1 double step. So you're going to have to do it on this foot. So practice that a minute. Make sure you got that feeling. Toe ball, toe ball, toe ball. Make sure that feels pretty natural so that you can put your weight on it. And then make sure you can do this. Heel step, heel step, heel step, heel step. Because when you do it all together, you're going to go toe ball, heel step, toe ball, heel step, toe ball, heel step. Remember to put your weight on that ball. That's what a lot of times messes people up. Okay, so let's do a basic on our left foot. So we're going to go double step, toe ball, heel step. We did it on the right foot. Double step, toe ball, heel step. Double step, toe ball, heel step. Double step, toe ball, heel step. And I tell the kids all the time in class, they really have proven that if you say the words in your head, you are way more likely to do it. So in your head, you should be saying toe ball, heel step. So this is what it sounds like when you do it all together. So you notice that first double step isn't even a whole step, it's double ball. Double ball, toe ball, heel step. Double ball, toe ball, heel step. All right, now, instead of doing a toe ball, the other option is you can do a heel ball. Heel ball, heel step. Heel ball, heel step. And obviously this one feels a little stranger, so that's why I like using the toe first. Heel ball, heel step, heel ball, heel step, heel ball, heel step. On this foot it would be heel ball, heel step, heel ball, heel step, heel ball, heel step. So a basic would be double ball, heel step. Double ball, heel step. Double ball, heel step. Double ball, heel step. And what tricks people up on that is, if that's a ball, that means put your weight on it. Put your weight, heel step. Double ball, heel step. So when you do it, it sounds like this.